Hello, if you're in business, an entrepreneur, or a professional with a deep hunger for growth, development, and advancement that takes you from where you are to your dream point in life, then you're welcome to my Street Smart Lab YouTube channel. At Street Smart Lab, our story is simple. Hard work pays, but not as much as smart work. And that's the problem. A lot of businesses fail because people work hard, but not with smart practices. Why? Because they're unaware of the principles and the key tools that are a must use for every individual, entrepreneur, or business owner to be successful in life. And then they give up because they barely meet their goals. Some stay down and some never even try again. And some are just looking for the right materials that exposes to them the right steps they need to take. Having built my business from scratch over the years, I have had a number of entrepreneurs, business owners, individuals ask me, how did you do it? Well, I'm here to show you how, through a series of videos that will address vital needs from planning and execution, accounting, financing, taxes, getting and increasing customers, building a solid supply chain, marketing, building the right team, and many more. My name is Adeyiga Awomuti. I am the Chief Executive Officer at Streambooks and the lead consultant at Street Smart Lab. Welcome to my YouTube channel, towards a smarter you. Stay ahead, stay street smart.